Have you seen Toy Story?
Yes.
You're Jessie.
Oh my gosh.
Jessie. Live and in the flesh.
No.
Alright. So today's video we're doing rap snacks. Which I've seen these a couple times, but none of them really sounded that good to me. This one sounded good-ish. Cardi B Cheddar Barbecue.
It's this.
Now you just look like a redneck. Doesn't really smell like it, but 3, 2, 1.
Why is it spicy?
That's spicy.
There's a little kick to it. I like them.
They're pretty good. I'll go thumbs up.
Got some spunk, Cardi B.
It's the barbecue.
Oh.
That's what the spicy is. Yeah. They're pretty good. I go thumbs up. I will. What do you got?
Huh?
What's your thing?
Thumbs up.
Thumbs up? Right on, man.
That's very... What's that my hair?
Yeah, I'll go thumbs up on that. That was pretty good. They did decent on that. Are you a gangster cowboy now?
Yeah.
Now you're just a fisher. Now you're a cowgirl. Milo's looking at you like you're crazy. All right.
He just got scared.
That's it for this one. Stay safe. Much love. Hit up the merch. Peace.